You want to make money online? These apps and websites do help us make money online, but are they enough to actually help you quit your job? I'm guessing you said no. So in this video, I will be talking about dropshipping. So if you don't know what dropshipping is a mode of business whereby you take a product which is sold online for about $100, then you go and list the price on your website and selling the product for $200 and then keeping the profits after all expenses. Here is just a little animation to show you how dropshipping works.
What exactly is dropshipping, and how are these jaw-dropping figures achievable? Dropshipping is essentially an arrangement between a dropshipper, that's you, and a manufacturer or a supplier. You create a storefront for showcasing or selling products while your manufacturer, merchant, or supplier agrees to fill orders. That's it. Yes, it's that simple. The dropshipping business has achieved 9 figures over the past few years because it is super convenient. Manufacturers and suppliers take care of product packaging, branding, warehousing, and everything else that goes into managing inventory. All you need to do is take care of the sales and watch the money flow in. Anyone can and should own a dropship store because it saves cash and maximizes your profit. It is a sure way to benefit from less hassle, and most importantly, it is location independent. You can manage and operate your store from anywhere in the world, all from your laptop or smartphone. The shopping mall era is coming to an end. Online sales are becoming the new norm. Don't miss out. Get started today.
So now that you know what dropshipping is, you are probably asking yourself, how much can I make with dropshipping? So the average dropshipper makes around 100,000 per year dropshipping. What is the purpose of this video, you may ask? I want to know from you, do you want me to make a tutorial on how to start a successful dropshipping store, and I should show you how to set up a dropshipping store? The question might be running in your head, how much do I need to start a dropshipping store? Well, a typical person would need $500 to start a dropshipping store, but I'm going to show you how to start a dropshipping store for totally free. The truth of the matter is, before you can start with anything, you need to know a few basic things before you can actually start. But I don't know if I should show this in a video or in a course. Comment in the comment section down below whether you'd like to see this in a video or in a course, because if it's going to be in a video, it will be too long, and if it's in a course, then it can actually be managed. So I will be making another video on getting more in depth of this dropshipping and telling you all more about dropshipping. But if you have any questions, you can go down in the comment section down below and ask me any questions. And if you'd like to know more about dropshipping, obviously there's other YouTube creators who know more about dropshipping than myself, or I know more than them, but you can actually go and search on YouTube more about dropshipping, and I will tell you all in a video coming soon. I think in May, after my channel hits 1 year old, I will be making a tutorial on dropshipping and then actually posting it on YouTube, or I will be doing a Udemy course online. It will actually be worth it for you in the long run, because you can actually get access to making hundreds of thousands per year. Go down in the comment section down below and tell me what you think of this video, and whether or not you would like to start your own very dropshipping store in this year 2021 and start actually making good money on the internet. I hate to say it, but it's your boy here, Dollar Influencer, signing out. Peace.